So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit the outline color of text inside of a table on a Keynote presentation. So once Keynote's opened up, go to the top, add a table into one of your slides. So I have this beautiful green table right here. I'm just going to go ahead and type in the word outline, just as an example, just like this. I will also make the text a little bit larger. I will also make the font, the height and rows, just as an example. How about I just make it a little bit larger so it's easier for you guys to see. I will also get rid of the columns as well, just so it's a little easier for you guys to see, just like that. So here's my outline right here. Now, if you want to, I'm just going to make the font right here a little bit larger. So if you go to text right here in the top right and you press on this little gear icon right here, then go to outline. Once that is checked, you actually have now added outline to your font here or to your text. Now by default it actually does go to black. So if you go press on the color wheel right here, you can change the color to whatever you want. So if you want a white outline, yellow outline, red outline, magenta outline, whatever the case may be, you can do that. You can make it larger or you can make it smaller. You can also change the style of it as well. It's completely up to you. So very simple, very straightforward. But that is how to edit or adjust the outline color of text inside of a table here in a Keynote presentation. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.